name is Raj Shah. I had had a hair transplant from New Roots, Kolkata 6 months back. Back then when I had hair fall because due to genetic issues and all, so I had a sense of underconfidence, and wherever I used to go, people used to just talk about my hair, only about my hair and all. So I thought that it's better to get it done before it's too late. So then I contacted New Roots Kolkata, where my seniors who had done, I had got positive results, and seeing them, I've come to them, and it's been 6 months now, and I have 3,500 follicles transplanted, and the results are quite satisfactory, as you can see and all. And I have regained my confidence, and people are now observing that yes, what I had back then, how bald I was, now I'm more or less, the hairs are there, and so it gives me a sense of fulfillment. And the staffs and everyone out here are very cooperative, and they've always been helpful. Anyone who is interested to get it done, to get a hair transplant done, please do come and visit New Roots, Kolkata.